combining an existing industrial site with a new architecture can contribute to the history, the landscape, and the public space of a city, and bring in new energy. We keep the old, but how do we actually keep them? Do we keep the object itself, or the space, or even the atmosphere? This also depends on how we finally use the space. It is often difficult to find a function that can fit the existing space. It is also difficult for the design to meet the requirements of new design regulations, earthquake proofing, energy saving, fireproofing, and so on. These regulations often make it worse for the existing structures or the quality of the space. This truly needs more clever thinking to improve the situation. The types of deshaus projects are also following the city development of Shanghai. In the first 10 years, we mainly did kindergartens and schools in the suburban new towns. In the second 10 years, we have more urban regeneration projects such as the industrial transformation projects along Hong River. They are mainly public and cultural projects. Speaking of the design, we also turn from caring about the exterior space and its form to caring about the interior atmosphere and how the structure might act in the space of the architecture. I just call it a structure scale. This is clearly also influenced by industrial buildings. Industrial sense is coming into our new architecture. I think this is also a contemporariness of architecture. It is from observing and assessing the site, how to make an existing thing a part of something new. Historical references shall be used in a proper place. It might bring us a certain starting point, but where it leads is what truly matters. If I must choose one, I might still choose the Low Museum. Yeah. The site, the structure, and the space are integrated to the fullest, and the space is the most primitive. Different cultures can be seen in there, and so there is a special sense of tolerance. Its completion has played an active role to the urban development in the Westbound area. It speaks for itself. I'm always happy to see people wandering on the riverfront plaza of the museum and the co-hoppers. I'm quite moved by their happy emotions.